Hello! Welcome back to Almita's Kitchen channel. Kumusta? How are you, everybody? Our recipe for today is we are going to make what we call chicken sopas. It's basically like chicken pasta soup. I have a boiling water here, guys, for our pasta. And now my water is already boiling. I can add the pasta first. Dump it in. Let's stir this so it doesn't get stuck together. All right. So while we are waiting for the pasta to cook, we will start cooking our ingredients. Putting olive oil, guys. Using olive oil for this. About 2 tablespoons. Okay, and then minced garlic, sesame, just stir it, and then add our onion. Again, that's sweet yellow onion. Just want to wait until the garlic brown a little bit for about a couple minutes, and then add the chicken thighs. Alright, that goes in there. And just stir, mix the garlic, onion, and the chicken. Just mix it. And then we will add our carrots. This is 2 carrots that we chop in small cubes like this. Put it in. Mix them well. And then we'll season it a little bit. We'll put bay leaves. I have like 1 big leaves and then 2 little ones. And then we'll just season a little bit for now. We'll add seasoning later as we go. Our pasta is boiling. And let's check our pasta. Alright, it's coming along. It's not quite done yet. Let that cook, and our chicken, we add chicken broth. This is only about half of This is 1 quart, but we need a little more for that. Maybe like 1.5 quart. We'll get another half here. All right, that's good for now. And later when we add our pasta, we can check, and you can add more chicken broth. But for now, we will let this cook. Okay, let's check our chicken and carrots. Carote. All right, this is about 10 minutes past simmering. Still not quite done, the carrots, but our pasta is done. So we have to scoop it up so it doesn't get overcooked. All right, guys, let me turn off the heat and let's just, oh, this pasta is actually bigger size. Big shell. Ah, hot. And because of my pasta is quite a lot, I might add more of the chicken broth. So this is about 1.5 quart. So that's what's in there, guys. Okay. I'm gonna try the carrots. Make sure they are soft before I can put the pasta. Yeah, it's ready. I'm gonna let this simmer for a couple minutes. Because I just add the broth. I'm gonna boil it. Now simmer, and then we'll add the rest of it. So you out there who's a new viewer to my channel, you can hit the like button. You can subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and watch my crazy cooking. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. But I'm just showing you a simple way of how to make a family meal. Okay? Alright, so this one is boiling, I should say. Now we can add our pasta. But I have to be careful because it's hot. Just add your pasta like this, guys. And again, control it. If it's too much pasta, don't add everything. Which is, in this case, I have too much pasta. I'm not gonna put everything, just that. Right? This is kind of like a semi pasta soup. Now we can add our green peas. This is a frozen green peas. You just add them in. Then we'll season it some more. And this is chicken powder seasoning. Just season them little by little, and then you taste. You don't want to over season it. And we let it simmer for a couple minutes, and then the last one we have to add is the evaporated milk. It's simmering 2-3 minutes. It's up. Now we can add our final touch. We can put our evaporated milk, 1 whole can. Just pour it in. Pour it in. OMG, look at this. Looking yummy. Not just looking yummy, tastes yummy. All right, let me taste it, okay? I will taste. Ooh la la. Good. Good. More black pepper. We'll make it spicy. Not as spicy. Okay. So everything is in here. All the ingredients is in the pot. Now we have to let it simmer. Just simmer. Let the evaporated milk marry with the ingredients, and then make sure the carrots is completely done. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay, that's done. Done. Our soup is done. So see how easy this is, guys? And look, it's very pretty. Pretty. And so yummy. Very yummy. Okay guys, so that's how simple it is. This is our recipe for today. If you like it, again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share it, and try it for yourself, guys. Cook it at home, your way, okay? And I will see you next time.